The taste of difference. Chintu had always loved street food, not because it was cheap, not because it was quick, but because every bite felt different. That evening, the street was alive with energy. Vendors called out, spices filled the air, lights flickered above crowded stalls. Chintu stood in front of a bel puri stall, eyes wide. Puffed rice, onions, tomatoes, sev, everything tossed together. Bhaiya, one bell, he said excitedly. Beside him, Bunty smiled. Always the same order, he said. The vendor mixed everything quickly. Crunchy, colorful, messy. Chintu took a bite. His face lit up. Best thing ever, he said. Bunty laughed. Look at it carefully. Chintu paused. Can you see all the ingredients? Bunty asked. Chintu nodded. Of course. Nothing is hidden, Bunty said. He paused. This, he continued, is like a heterogeneous mixture. Chintu frowned slightly. It means, Bunty explained, you can see the different parts clearly. Chintu looked again. Sev. Onions, peanuts, all separate. Okay, he said slowly. Now come, Bunty said. They walked to a lemonade stall nearby. The vendor poured a clear glass of nimbu pani. Light yellow, smooth, even. Chintu took a sip. Nice, he said. Bunty leaned closer. Can you see the sugar? Chintu looked confused. No. What about the salt? Bunty asked. Chintu shook his head. Exactly, Bunty said. This is a homogeneous mixture. Everything is mixed so well, you can't see the different parts. Chintu stared at the glass. But it's there, right? He asked. Yes, Bunty nodded. Just evenly spread. Chintu smiled. So Behel Puri is heterogeneous. And lemonade is homogeneous? Perfect, Bunty said. Chintu looked at both, the plate, the glass. Same idea, different experience. For the first time, food felt like science. He took another bite of bell. Crunchy, uneven, exciting. Then a sip of lemonade. Smooth, balanced, calm. Chintu grinned. Science tastes good, he said. Bunty laughed. As the street buzzed around them, it was clear. Learning didn't need a classroom. Sometimes, it was right there, on a plate, and in a glass.